Well, this is Fernie Warney, and I'm going to be shaking this can and dropping it on the ground because my videos have been flopping, as you may not be able to tell. Well, there went that one. Time to get another one. Please do not try this stupid shit at home. I'm only doing this because I don't even know why at this point. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean up all of this later, including the mess from the last video, since yes, I am making these in batches. Listen, my usual video for today failed. It flopped so badly. All right. Alright, let's look at the damage to the can. Well, that's that. Fernie Warney.